Hi, I'm Miss Eaton, and I promise my students that if they beat me in a snowball fight, then they get to have a pizza party this Friday. But hopefully they forget. Good morning, class. Today we're going to learn about inequalities.
What about our snowball fight?
Maybe we can incorporate that into our snowball fight. Class, there are simple rules for the snowball fight. You guys have to learn about inequalities while having fun. So, first off, everybody needs at least 10 snowballs. So, our signs to try to figure out how many snowballs they can have, we have, it can be less than or equal to, greater than or less than, greater than, not equal, and equal to. So, let's go ask one of our students what he thinks the sign will be. Okay, Austin, let's see what you know about inequality. So, each student needs at least 10 snowballs. So what sign would I use? Would we use less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or greater than?
Less than.
Sorry, that isn't right. Here, let me tell you the question again. Each student needs at least 10. That means he can have 10 or a little bit less. So, which sign would it be?
Less than or equal to.
So, that would be number A. Good job. All
Yay.
right, class, there are very simple rules to this competition and or snowball fight. So, the rules are that you have to learn about inequalities while having fun. So, an inequality is comparing to anything. It can be a variable, it can be a number, almost anything, while using the inequality signs, which are less than or equal to, less than, greater than or equal to, greater than, equal, and not equal. Now, let's go see how much my students really. We need at least 5 snowballs. What would be the inequality sign? If we need at least 5 snowballs, what will be the sign?
I know what the inequality sign will be. It'll be less than or equal to. If I have 5 snowballs and my teacher has 3, what would the inequality sign be?
The sign would be less than. So my student has 5 snowballs and I have 3. That means the inequality sign is, the sign would be greater than. PEMDAS. The signs for PEMDAS mean parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Okay, I'm going to teach you. Fat Albert, take this away.
I'm Fat Albert, and I'm going to show you how to write expressions and using PEMDAS while solving. This is a Fat Albert expression. It's the fattest expression on the world. First, using PEMDAS, first you're going to do exponents, which 4 times 4 is 16. 2 times 8 is 16. After you've done exponents and multiplication, then you move on to subtraction and addition. 16 minus 16 is 0. Plus 5 equals 5. Let Eva Marie take over.
Thank you, Fat Albert. So now, using PEMDAS, we are going to do multiplication and division first. So 1 times 8 equals 8. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And 4 plus 2 equals 6. So our number for this side is 6. Our number for this side is 5. 6 is greater than 5. So we'd use the greater than sign.
Hi, Albert. Can you show me inequalities in real life using trees?
I can, because I'm Fat Albert. I can show you that expression there. I'm Fat Albert, and I'm going to make a real word expression out of these 2 trees. See, obviously on this tree, there's 2 main parts. So we're going to write our 2 down right here and put our little box right here. So, as we walk over this tree obviously has 1, 2, 3 main parts. 3. So, if you put these 2 together, what would your answer be? Greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. I'm pretty sure that 2 is definitely less than 3. So 3 is greater than. Now Let's see if my own teacher can
My
do it.
real world expression is if I'm at a candy store and I see 8 pieces of candy for $4.99. But if I go to another candy store to see if there's a better deal, they're selling 8 pieces of candy for $6.99. I want the lesser price. So, candy store 1 is for $4.99. Candy store 2 is for $6.99. $4.99 is obviously less than $6.99.
Fat Albert likes candy.
Time for the snowball fight. I guess we get our pizza party. Do 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 do.
Go behind the tree.
Do 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 do.